Hey, hope everyone's having a good day today. It's really nice weather here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Happens to be almost 60 degrees and sunny and near the end of February. No complaints. I've always been of the mindset, don't expect what you don't inspect. So when my technicians are out at a job, I like to just kind of show up randomly, see what's going on. You see I've got our safety door up. A lot of people don't know this now, but we have now added zippers, everything to our doors. So you can just pop this up, come on up with the zipper, and walk right on in. All right, Matt, how'd that work out for you? Pretty good?
Working out great.
Awesome. This one right here had a lot of urine. I kind of want to show it to you, show you how high it is, and how we kind of work the job, the logistics of the job. How about that? So I highly recommend going over the balcony, which I'm going to show you here in just a second. I usually find that 50 foot will easily get you inside, no problem. Let's see. Okay, now look at the room. You can't see a bit of urine, right? Now, oh, hey, there we go. Look at it with a light on. Wow, what a difference. Check that out. See how much you can see now? This is, by the way, the TMF UV light. Yeah, man, it's the best in the industry. I put my hand on this thing to build it, and it's really a great unit. Definitely a money maker. So you can see how much urine's in here now. With the light, it's really helping you to see how much there is. And remember, don't neglect your baseboards. There's a male dog up there. There's some urine up on that baseboard. So we'll let the customer know, and we'll go ahead and treat that also. So clients really like that a lot, going that extra mile. Matt's going through. Look at these things disappearing. Wow, that's craziness, Matt. That's crazy. That's awesome. So we're hitting each one individually, just really going through it, and we're hitting it straight. It's probably going to take about 2 gallons to do this place, I would say. And of course, the customer here's got everything on skidders, so that's real nice. Just kind of walk on through. And now you notice there's a little bit in here, but not as much. Here's some right here. But with the UV light, we're able to detect any of them that they are, and we can address them immediately. The other one there. In here, not so much. Remember, pets are creatures of habit. We got you covered, bud, okay? We got you covered, all right? No problem. Keep up the good work. We appreciate that. All right, thank you. Hey, I'd like to tell you about a cool special that many cleaners are not aware of in tmfshop.net, our store. Basically, what you can get is our powerful UV light, which you can see in the daylight, and find urine stains. You get the whole case. You get the charger, the holster. You get a cool lanyard, which you can write your name and phone number on, and it's bright red, so you won't lose it. You get a case of Unchained, and what's cool about Unchained is it breaks the urine molecule, and it also gets rid of the odor, and it gets rid of the stains, and it helps you get more repeats, more referrals, and more reviews. Now, we also have an odor and stain removal course at tmfacademy.com. Well, for the price of the course, $298, you can get all of this, so keep that in mind. Yes, you can buy it separately, but you can also get it all together. And what's cool about it is that we found by having the course, by having these products and having this UV light, it helps us add on to our multi-truck operation at least $300 per truck each day. So you'll recoup your costs real quickly, and it'll help take your business to the next level. So you kind of like to go to the same spot all the time, and that's why you'll see a bunch in certain rooms like this one right here. Now the client, in all fairness, she has treated some of this, so it's kind of spread it out just a little bit. So we're going to take care of that for her. And Matt's able to go through here. You can't even see him over here, which is untreated. A couple more he's treating here. He's working his way through, hitting every single one of them. So like I said, it's probably going to take at least 2 gallons here, unfortunately. It's quite a bit inside of here, but you know, that's what we do, right? We take care of urine and stuff like this. Anybody else have any questions? I'll be glad to answer them in a little bit. As of right now, I'm going to get Matt, make sure he's all set up correctly, and give him a hand if he needs it. So one more look over this. I pop this out of the way. Back in here. Just for those who just joined in, you see how we got the corner guard set up down in there. Here, which I'll probably move that one over to here. Maybe go get another one out of the truck, because really our hoses are coming from that direction. So it's a good idea. Notice where we have the hoses. Like I said, I find 50 feet. If you get up to your 50-foot marker, you're usually okay, and you're good to go. So there you have it. I'm really happy. I'm very happy with the way Matt set up at this job. I'm very happy the way he's treating it, and he's got everything in place. So I have no complaints whatsoever, and it's really nice to have employees who are very conscientious, and you know they'll go out and do the same job that you will do. So that's a good feeling. So hopefully you guys have employees like that, or that's the same type of workmanship that you're delivering to your clients. Everything, you know, you have the door in place, even though it's not door we're using. It's still a great PMOT, positive moment of truth. And you want to deliver as many positive moments of truth as possible, okay? I really appreciate everybody's support for Truck Mount Forums, tmfshop.net. Appreciate everything you guys do for me. I'm very grateful, and hopefully you'll catch my new video. Thanks, guys. Have yourself a great day. I'm Rob Allen, Truck Mount Forums. Be good now.